boys and girls, welcome to Tithe show. The show that's keeping it real way from Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it's inspirational. Boys and girls, this is your boy Tithe. I am so excited. The reason why I'm making this video right in the car, the sun is shining, but there's something important. Everything has changed. I mean, my trip to London was actually to meet my friend and also to get something. It is called Ogene. This is the Ogene, Nigerian Igbo land musical instrument. It has voodoo inside it. Anabala gumba, kina bam, mbina balo again. Anabala gumba. Abala gumba, kina bam, mbina balo again. Anabala gumba. Boys and girls, with this Ogene, everything has changed. There's no kidding about it. I call our forefathers in the land of the living, the land of the dead. He say, let's go.
Hello boys and girls, this is your girl Anna and you're watching Tithe Show. Hit that subscribe button below.